wanted to talk about this for a second. We're getting ready for paint, but the paint isn't the big deal. It's the prep. And you'll hear body guys talk about that and you're like, yeah. I'm sure it took you a long time to sand that filler, blah blah. Well, probably after the metal work was done, starting filler work, filler, primer, blocking primer, and now this is blocked in 400 grit. And when I say blocked, I mean blocked. You can see a couple little tiny things like that, you know, and that's when you're good, you know. The majority, 98% of it doesn't break through to the filler at all. You've got it straight enough to where that little bit of primer, when you block it, it doesn't break through that. And when you talk about it in hours and you talk about it in dollars, you know, a big project like this is probably an easy $100,000 in body work. Just body work. The paint, we're gonna paint this side today. The paint goes on in one day. It's the 2 years of prep, you know, that hand sanding, hand blocking, that gets you that. You know, a lot of that is going to be material for bodywork, sandpaper, tape, body filler, primer. It's ridiculous expensive. It's insanely expensive. The primer we're using is $200-300 a gallon, and we've gone through gallons of it, you know. So this is where the money's spent, and this is why it takes so long, because it needs to get down to where your 400 grit, your 220, your 180, your 80, all that is made it to where it is just dead flat. We get it so dead flat that when we get done with our 400, we paint a primer sealer, we paint our base coat colors, we clear it 4 times, and then we can use a hand block again, a long block, you know. I can't stick my other hand up here, but long block, and we'll block that in 800 grit. After we get it blocked in 800 grit, not the little soft pad, blocked in 800 grit, then we'll clear it again. Now that blocking the clear coat, you can do that if it's dead flat, if it's dead straight. You know, if there's one little rise in the body, when you're blocking it with that 800 grit, you're going to burn right through that clear. So it's very touchy, very hard to do. It screws with your mind after so many hours of just sitting there blocking, sitting there sanding. It took 3 rolls of tape and an entire work day just to mask this off. I started masking this at 10 and didn't get done until 7 yesterday. So, I mean, that's just in masking, and then we're, you know, doing some more stuff on it today. And that's just to spray the passenger side. That's not spray, we're not spraying the whole rig, we're just doing the passenger side. And I've already done some of the drip rail, and I've already done the rocker, you know. So right now we're doing some touch up. I had a couple little dents here on this inside edge. I'm putting a little filler on there. We're gonna get that sanded. Gustavo just got the front sanded here, and when we had the fender off, I like to paint all the way into that inside edge because it's hard to get while you're out here. So all that's masked and painted, or Scotch-Brite. So now I'll finish up that back, get it masked up. We'll blow it off again, wax and grease remover on the whole thing. Wet down our floors here. Wet down out back. Wet down out front maybe. And then we'll start our paint process. And hopefully we get a W.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay. Now we got to go, and it's time to go. I think that we all know that Johnny was on his way. Jump in the car, Murphy's the gas. Doesn't take long before we hear the sirens blast. But we don't take calm, 'cause there ain't no way. Yeah, we don't stay calm, 'cause there ain't none of those coppers gonna lock us up today, no way! All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay, okay.
So painting's gone pretty well. I haven't noticed anything too crazy. There's a few little things with the primer sealer, but everything else seems to have been okay. When you have a problem with the primer sealers, there's not a lot you can do. You pretty much just go through your normal execution of it, and you can come back and mess with it later. There was one company that I've dealt with that I love their primer sealer. It dried in 5 minutes and you could sand it, but that's usually not the case with most of it. We're gonna go ahead and get our masking off the two-tone here and get some clear on it. So, let's see how she looks. So, you can see it. See that little guy right there? It's just a little bit of the orange came through the tape. Take a little reducer. Just try to grab it until it's gone. Try not to wipe it. Just like the wife's carpet. Damn it. Don't wipe it. Rub it in. If I did any more, it was wanting to rip it up. It was touchy. You could feel it. Every time I touch it, it's got a little more gummy. All right, clear the damn thing, man.
Kids got the guns, I got the bags. One too many's hard, tired of working for the man. Can't keep it watch, we're behind the wheel. Hope it doesn't come to this, but we ain't afraid to kill. Everyone stay calm, that's what we say. As long as everything goes smooth, no one's gonna die today. Everyone stay calm, that's what we say. Put all the money in our bags and we'll be on our way. All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and